Switch off all electrical equipment and the ignition switch. Lever out the cover. Disconnect the fuel pump connector. Switch on the multimeter to the voltage position. The negative terminal of the battery is earth. Switch on the ignition switch to the on position. Connect the red tester pin to the connector number 3 pin. The measured normal voltage shall be 0 volt. Connect the red tester pin to the connector number 4 pin. The measured normal voltage shall be 0 volt. Switch on the multimeter to the resistance position. Measure the resistance between the fuel pump number 3 and number 4 pins. The measured value at normal temperature shall be 0.5 ohm. Install the fuel pump connector. Install the cover.